Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Citroën has revealed the Basalt, a new coupe crossover that it's calling an SUV-Coupe, expanding its locally developed and produced lineup in India and South America. The Basalt Vision serves as a preview of the final production model, slated to go on sale in the second half of 2024. The front end looks very similar to the Citroën new C3 Aircross, albeit with some trim adjustments. More specifically, the Indian spec variant features fancier LED beams on the main headlights, contrasting with the halogen units found on the South American version. The toned profile of the concept shares styling traits with the 7-seater SUV, featuring a sloping roofline that leads to a completely redesigned tail. Additionally, it showcases different cladding around the wheel arches and dark finished alloy wheels. The rear end is the most eye-catching angle of the Citroën Basalt, boasting a heavily inclined rear glass, C-shaped LED taillights, a rugged-looking bumper, and a sculpted hatch, complete with an integrated spoiler. While the presentation lacked interior photos, we anticipate the Basalt to share technology with other Citroën models. The company has assured that the Basalt will prioritize space and comfort, aligning with the ethos of the rest of the lineup. The Citroën Basalt is based on the smart car architecture, an evolution of the CMP-eCMP. As with the new C3 and new C3 Aircross, the platform has been configured specifically to meet the needs of customers in India and South America. This means it has a different setup compared to mechanically related models available in Europe, including the Citroën ec3. The company didn't delve into specifics about the powertrain options, but we anticipate the presence of the familiar turbocharged 1.2-liter gasoline engine with 108 horsepower, 81 kilowatts. Additionally, there are rumors circulating that the ICE-powered Basalt will be accompanied by a fully electric version in 2025, potentially mirroring the specs of the local new ec3. The Basalt moniker has been confirmed for the final production model, marking the first deviation from Citroën's naming strategy that includes the letter C, followed by a number, along with the X letter for fastbacks or the Aircross designation for SUVs. When it arrives in the second half of 2024, the Citroën Basalt will compete with the similarly positioned Fiat Fastback in South America. In India, the only other SUV coupe offering in this segment is the upcoming Tata Curve, as the rest of the contestants are either conventional SUVs or sedans. Do you like the new Citroën Basalt Vision? Write your opinion in the comments, as well as like and subscribe to the channel so as not to miss the latest news from the world of cars. See you soon. Goodbye, everyone.